morning, my students. Today we are going to study science. What is a family? Yes? Who will give answer? Yes?
Family is who our parents who gave us birth, the supporter of our life, from learning many things, habits, from teaching from how to stand, how to crawl. We get knowledge from there.
Very good. So a family who give support to all person, who give a center. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone in the family happily can stay. Yes or no? Who is most important or head person in the family?
Father.
Father.
Father or mother? Father and mother both. And what about kids are also present in the family? Yes or no?
Yes.
Who take care of kids? Elders or mostly parents? Parents having their responsibility to take care of their kids. How many more things required in a family to complete it? Other than living person, is there any other requirements?
No.
Yes?
Ethics, love.
Okay, very good. Have you heard about roti, kapda or makan?
Yes.
This word, this topic, you have a movie also. Roti, kapda और मकान. बहुत पुरानी movie है, right? Roti, kapda और मकान. Food, clothing and house. Okay? Let's take food. Are they food having their own family? How many types of food you know? As you can say, veg, non-veg. In veg, you have many types of food. So it comes under a family. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everything, whatever you can see in your life, having their own family. With the similar structure, we have a solar system. What's situated in the center? Sun. Sun taking care of all planets. Yes or no?
Yes.
So again, Sun as a nucleus, as a main member, as a parent, taking care of all planets, right? One force applying over there, that is known as gravitational force, which is going to keep them in their position. As in a family, parents like sun holding planets, parents holding their kids, so that they can take care of them. Everything, whatever you have in your life, having their own family. Like you have a family, similarly, everything having their own family. Simply you can take chalk and make it powder. The smallest piece of chalk, the smallest powder piece of chalk, also having its own family. How? What is the name of the smallest part of the chalk? Any idea about that?
Atom.
Atom. Very good. So that is known as atom. Now atom having its own family, the structure of the family, similar manner, you have a nucleus. What comes under nucleus? Proton and
Neutron.
proton and neutron. Like parents, mother and father are in the central portion. Yes or no? Similarly, nucleus having neutron and proton. And like kids revolving around their parents. Yes or no?
Yes.
Similarly, electrons around their nucleus. Yes or no? So today's topic is electronic configuration in atom.